Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get a free SHEIN gift card. This is going to allow you to get tons of free clothes in SHEIN, and it only takes a few minutes. This method to get a free SHEIN gift card code is working right now in 2026, and it is a code you can redeem in your SHEIN account, and it is going to add $100, I believe, to your account. It may be slightly more, maybe even $750 actually. I believe there are some $750 codes remaining. So before I show you this method, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a huge gift card giveaway. So if you don't want to do this method, you can just like and subscribe and I'll give some away. But anyway, what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser, and you've got to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So very important, you copy how I've typed it here. And Crash Coupons is a codes website. They have loads of coupon codes for things. They mostly have game codes, but they actually do have a page on here for SHEIN codes. So I'm going to use the search bar and type in SHEIN. And this is the page here, guys. There are a few different codes on here. You can get a SHEIN promo code. You can get 3 points. Oh, it's a $750, so they still have some left. So basically, guys, this is going to supply your SHEIN account with $750. And this is a free SHEIN gift card code working in 2026. And these are limited. There are hundreds of them, but they're limited, guys. So I did this earlier. I believe they must have just topped these codes up, because I thought they run out. But you need to unlock your free SHEIN gift card code, and this basically stops people getting more than one of these codes. You can only do this once. So click on get full code, and you're going to be brought to this page here, guys, and it tells you exactly what you need to do to get your SHEIN gift card. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. Very important, you follow the unlock instructions below each app. This verifies you're not a robot. So what it's telling you to do, guys, is to complete 2 tasks on this page. There is going to be slightly more if you're in a different country. I've only got 2 available for me, but that's all you need. And you just got to follow the instructions to fully complete them. They're all completely free. And once you do that, guys, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your SHEIN gift card code will be fully revealed and unlocked in this box. And yeah, you redeem it on your account. It's going to give you $750 for free. So that is it, guys. Quickest, easiest method to get free SHEIN gift card codes in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.